Big Brooklyn.
What do I do with this guy? Both of his truck bags. Now we decided to go to the Bryant Park food market. They're gonna give you guys a taste of it. Hey! Hey guys, the beginning of the vlog. It's Thanksgiving break. We're going to get wine because I was depressed in bed all day. Action! Bonjour vlog! Je m'appelle Violette, j'habite en New York. Je m'appelle Eden, j'habite en New York. Elle s'appelle Eden. Elle s'appelle Violette, on est meilleures amies. Comme ça, BFF, comme ça, c'est comme ça. Ah, et il est mignon le petit mec sur le vélo, hein. Mon ami! Bonjour, girl!
Like, where would you?
The pizza pockets in the Ghani bag. Yeah, meow. Some more wine bar. Let that arriver.
So what you get wrong with
It's like, it's New York, so it doesn't matter, but there's why am I here? Why am I here? Damn. Oh my god, I can't even fucking imagine. What a crazy time.
Thanksgiving, motherfuckers.
these bitches in America?
Happy Thanksgiving. Mission was successful. We got the flowers, but we don't have ID. We cannot get the wine.
Big Brooklyn.
Maybe it's
I thought that Montclair was beautiful pink house. More
is for the aspirational
only
room.
6.
We are about to go have the deck. No, no, it's just pecan. Oh.
I used to like she was disappointed in that precise moment that you're watching. Yeah, 31.
While the texture of the apple
60 seconds.
slightly bothers me,
They tell you.
the taste is
How long
for
did
you.
you stay? Did you enjoy the hour?
He just likes to walk
This
around.
cake is compared to this cake, which is like you can't really compare anything to it, so I'm gonna taste it.
Taco Organic had one that very little.
It's not better. It has more.
It's good. I never had it before. Some fresh skin bits. We did buy some whipped cream. You already opened this?
Yeah.
Yeah, I was like,
I don't really like whipped cream alone. Put it on my titties. Cut that, Nicole.
that's what I did to the cabinets because I'm actually secretly the interior designer here. You tasted
Let's cheers.
I'm scared it's gonna burn me. Is it hot?
Yeah, it's hot, but it's yummy.
Like, is it too hot though?
No, it's fine. Slowly. Stop looking in my cup! I'm trying to help you! Sorry, I'm gonna look. I'm so sorry For some reason, I didn't really think I had that much force behind the slap.
Kobe. Not a set. That's not. We were literally just saying, hey, it's a bit
Wobbly.
it's a bit wobbly. I was
Wobbly,
like, nah,
wobbly,
it's
wop.
fine. It'll stay. I'm on.
This is proof that split the pole is
I don't know, I've been kind of a red wine girl lately.
Red wine makes
it
you
warms
sweat.
me up. It makes me hella sweat. I think the only reason I've been on 2 dates this week is that I've been drinking red wine. Can you believe that? I've been on 2 days this week. That's more than I've been on in the past 9 months.
Same. I went on 2 dates in 2 weeks.
Yeah, and Claire did too. Like, we've all been kind of...
It's so funny because we all went on our dates and then we're like, fuck this shit. I'm not doing this again.
Yo, the way we were literally repulsed by the memories. Literally. Went on a date with this guy. Bro thought he was Chuck Bass.
It's just our waiter singing. He's really extroverted. We love him.
He said we were pretty. We literally thought he was Chuck Bass. Bro was literally looking at me in the eyes like...
God fucking damn it.
actually,
Listen, if you're a straight man, listen to this PSA. You really don't need to do all that. Another very important note is that women are very emotionally intelligent and just aware. So if you think you're being slick, chances are you're really probably not.
Like, it felt like he was like watching us and like recreating moments, but like not in the right way.
It's better to just like...
Bro was like taking pictures of me on my dispo while I was on top, and I was like, girl, like, I know what you're trying to do, but like, I actually is revolting me for some
It's
reason.
actually better to just act like...
It also might be because I'm a lesbian. Like, the more I go on dates with men, the more I'm like, I need to stop lying to myself. Like, I'm repulsed. Like, just accept it, girl. Like, maybe you're a fucking lesbian. Who the fuck knows? Who the fuck knows? But then I'm too scared to go on dates with women. Like, I'm really fucking scared. I'm terrified. Yeah, I'm so scared. I literally switched my hinge to women and men, and then any women that text me, like, I'll text them, and then they actually ask me out, and
My
then
hinge
like,
was so much better before I added men, and then I added men. God, fuck.
yeah, and because they take over.
They
Like,
do
they
take
literally
over.
takes over the whole
I
other
don't...
shit.
Yeah, I don't know what's going on.
Anyways, I went on another date this week, and it was actually really good. And he cooked me a 3-course meal. And he waited in line at a fucking Italian place for I
It
don't
was
know
so
what
good
ingredient.
that I rated the date a 10 out of 10, and I felt I wasn't even there. Like, I was there.
It was so cute, but like, I'm not gonna talk my shit, but like, it was super cute and super nice. Like, I don't think I've ever been on a date that was so thoughtful
that part.
and just like sweet and like innocent.
Intentional, innocent,
Yeah,
wholesome.
so sweet, wholesome.
I agree. See, the way that would terrify me, I'd be like, oh, you care.
I know,
I'm
girl,
scared.
I am scared. I'm
This
like,
is so toxic
don't
to talk about. Okay.
do too much because you know, like, it's
I'm a
not really.
cold-hearted
it's-
bitch.
Like, yeah, I really am. Like, you're really never gonna win with me.
That part.
Anyways, should just move. What's your favorite thing?
Pasta's really good, and the asparagus, I love the asparagus.
Yeah, this is eating all the asparagus.
No attention, no attention.
Action!
You gon' be a dope fiend. Your friends should call you dope.
Like we've been wearing all this black skin. It has a way of cleansing yourself. And then I'm down pretty soon.
Oh, that's my fine shit right there. Yo, fine shit. Fine shit, walk over here. The fuck? Hey. Swipe that. Hey. Oh putain, c'est froid. C'est froid sa mère. Ah, c'est froid. Okay, say this. Say this. Il fait froid sa mère.
Et c'est fait soit sa mère.
No, it's perfect. Merci. Sa mère. Your mother.
Your mother.
Hello, how are you? Good. Sa sa mère, ça veut dire your mother, but like, you know, like, it's called your mother.
C'est froid.
Sa mère.
C'est froid, sa mère.
Il fait froid, sa mère.
Il fait froid, sa mère.
My leftover clothes on Violet's outfit. We're getting coffee at Bryant Street, and then we're getting a sandwich at C&B, and then we're getting a sandwich at the deli. Almost forgot to tell you, girl. Me when I, what the fuck, just actually fell on my head right now. I look so gorgeous. I didn't realize how much I drank last night, and then I got home and I was laying in the bed and the room was spinning. I was like, oh nah, like, you know, I'm gonna wake up tomorrow morning and actually want to die. So I was like, I'm just gonna go, you know, gag it up, you know.
Gag it up.
Gag it up. So went to the bathroom, you know, got it out. Did what I had to do, some may say. Thought I was fine. Everything went well. And then I wake up, I'm feeling pretty good, until I get the little spins again. And I'm like, whoa, no, that's what we're not gonna do. We're not gonna have a hungover day. I have shit to do. I don't have time to be hungover. So I gagged it up again. And who knew there was more to come? Did what I had to do, and now I'm feeling great. I'm feeling stunning. And that's really what you have to do. You can't just live with the hangover all day. That's just fucked up. Why would you want
Not
to do
you
that to yourself?
encouraging your fucking followers to put culture.
Girl, sometimes that's what it takes to be feeling good.
Wait, please show them this video.
December 1st.
This is a done sober, y'all.
Oh my god, y'all, I just came to fucking Times Square to film an H&M deal in their goddamn changing room. That's what I had to do. And then they're like, yeah, the changing rooms are closed. Huh? Tell me I just spent $40 on an Uber here for it to be closed, but now, you know, we're here and we gotta do something with our lives. We're not just gonna go back home because life is beautiful and take advantage of every moment. So now we decided to go to the Bryant Park food market, and we're actually gonna give you guys a taste test of a bunch of stuff.
Fuck yeah. Hit it, Fergie. It's hot.
Some massive shrimp.
$9.
It's $11 now.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
And I don't know food. It's good. It's a bit cinnamony, which I enjoy.
I'd rate it a 7 out of 10.
It's not creamy enough.
Definitely not creamy.
It tastes like they might have made it with water, which I don't think they did, but it tastes like they could have made it with water. Which I never want.
It's giving half water, half milk.
Yeah, like it's giving extremely low effort. I rate this a 6 out of 10.
Shut up. It's pretty light. It's just half sour. Tastes like normal. Yeah. Kosher dough. Babe, I don't want this. Yeah, I see. Full sour with garlic. I really like that one.
Wait,
It's very horse radish.
it's good. Wait, I like it. It tastes like Dijon mustard.
Yeah. Wasabi sour. Tastes like wasabi.
Oh my god, it's so good.
Okay, this is super spicy.
Oh fuck. Wait, I'm scared, bitch. We don't have water. I'm a
Big hot
bitch.
chocolate.
I'm Caucasian.
I like the garlic on the best.
Okay, I rate these 10 out of 10. Honestly,
I rate them like
maybe a 9 out of 10. It was like $11 or something.
I think the portion's good. Or like
they're
whatever.
really good. Like the flavors are really good, and it's a nice experience.
That's like
I would
$2
recommend it. It's fine. We got this.
It's half corn dog, half
Crazy. the most American thing we could possibly get. Like half cheese, half hot dog, corn dog, covered in Cheetos. Oh my god, that looks so good.
There's some really, really good terrain.
I'm here behind that. I rate that.
But then it's like tough because
An 8 and a 9. I'm a 10. It was really good. There's really nothing wrong with it. It's good. It was really good.
Too good.